Drones are the future of technology. From making awesome videos to saving people's lives, drones will continue to thrive in our society, bringing us a world of opportunity at the tip of our fingers. It all starts right here.
From drone camp to the drone internship, we have learned a lot.
I received a better understanding in coding, drone flying, and teamwork.
I've learned patience, cooperation, and have an idea of possible careers concerning drones.
The internship for me has been a privilege because not many girls of color have opportunities regarding the engineering field, especially those who come from low-income areas.
In a field dominated by men, I had some intimidation with anything involving engineering, but this internship has allowed me to explore my potential and capabilities.
After becoming certified drone pilots, we learned about drone safety and how to keep ourselves and others out of harm's way. We used flight logs to keep track of our flight missions and learned how to use a phone app called AirMap where we can get permission to fly. We got the opportunity to fly at AMA fields in our communities while creating our projects. Now let's show you what we learned. Combine what we learned in this program with exposure to different cultures in our community. Our project is demonstrating traditional and pop culture dances. These are significant in our lives because it gives us a sense of identity as well as our passion for dance. We explored American hip-hop, traditional Polynesian dances, and Asian pop dances.
What I like about flying drones is the aesthetic cinematography result after. What I like about flying drones is the maneuvers we can do, especially when we're in the air. What I like about drones is that I get to work with others and be creative with flying them.
Drones are good for numerous reasons, such as reaching areas not easily accessible for humans, search and rescue efforts, wildlife preservation, and photography.
From our experiences here at the Girls Take Flight internship, we value the connections we made with other girls, the opportunity to be Part 107 certified, and our extensive knowledge on drones.
Everything in life happens for a reason. No matter what it is, we have to accept it and overcome any obstacles in our way. Girls Take Flight happened to us, and after numerous days of training and countless nights of studying, we finally made it as Part 107 certified drone pilots. It all starts right here. It starts with us. Are you ready for this? Clear on the flight line?
Clear!